Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you 10 high CPM niches for YouTube shorts that you can make money with that. So let's get started, let's get into it. So first, all you need to do is to go on YouTube. So I will show you different tutorial, the different ways to get money with that. You know, it's when you see Instagram, you see reels, and Facebook had a story option. So now YouTube recently announced an option for YouTube shorts. You can also monetize with that. You can even monetize with creating a YouTube shorts. You can upload the YouTube short and your channel will be monetized with that shorts. So now let me just take a look at that. Now I will show you the different type of shorts you can make money with that. So you will see that the makeup as a kind of makeup shorts, like you will see amazing makeup tutorial. You will see the views 2.2 million. Make a smile with me, 2.8 million. Top tutorial, 441k views. So you will see a lot of views over here. And as I said earlier, you can also monetize. You can also make money with that shorts. Just upload on a form of different tutorials. This is the first way to get money with that. So let me show you. If you're not a makeup artist, if you're not you can simply go with another thing. Let me show you that. So you can simply go with now. Here you will see different shorts. But you can basically set table to act. Now you will see different thing doing on that YouTube channel for the YouTube short. Who can become a hero for different entertaining videos. You will see a lot of different videos for that, different type of shorts. You can also upload the motivation speakers. Yeah, you can monetize with that. So now this is basically different videos. This is basically not a video, this is basically a short, like 1 minute 2 minute shorts. They can even upload with that. You can even money with that and money with that. So there are different ways, like a travel shorts, or you can say luxury shorts, or any funny videos, any motivational speaker videos. You can upload that, but make sure that you have to tag them, but you can upload in a proper way. All right, and once you be able to get monetized, they will let you know that that what are the requirements, each and everything for monetization. You will receive a message from the YouTube. You will add the payment method, each and everything for that. So these are the different I'm gonna say the different types of different kind of things, the different kind of videos you can upload them. It's on your decision, it's on your concern. You can go with that, with that type of videos. So these are the ways to get money with that. So recently YouTube announced a new type of videos that is called shorts. You can also monetize with that. So if you like that video, make sure you subscribe this channel, and I will catch you on the next video. Thank you.